So my brother's back home for the holidays and he's staying over with me, and I kind of procrastinated in getting his place set up. So we just got this mattress that's a Coleman air mattress, and we're gonna unbox it together and see how long it takes to inflate. Let's do it. So out of the box, it's pretty straightforward. It comes with a mattress and it comes with this inflation device that you're going to use for it. The quick pump that it comes with is rechargeable. It can already work off the bat, but if you need to charge it, it comes with this cable as well. To use it, we're going to attach the nozzle here. We're going to attach this nozzle onto the mattress, and then my brother's going to hit the button. It's going to blow. This is the valve where you're going to inflate it. It has sort of like a double locking feature where when you open it, it's still sealed with this yellow inside part, and then you're gonna pull it outwards to get the full valve out in order to inflate it. And that's when I was gonna use this and start inflating it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, it's working already. Look at that. It's working really fast. Pretty quick. Nice. Yeah. It's like really inflating fast. I'm amazed. I'm very impressed with this. Yeah. Wow. Oh, it's already filling up. It's actually full. Like, it's been like 2 minutes. Pretty quick. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. It's amazing. Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah. There you go. That'll work. Yeah. How's it feel? Is it comfy? It's pretty good. It's like, can it support? Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. Actually, you want to get up? Actually, come on. There you go. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. It's like really filled in like less than 2 minutes. Yeah. Like 2 minutes. Just, yeah, it's not bad. Oh my goodness. And there you have it. So, Elliot, do you think this was a good purchase? Or? Seems like a good one. Yeah. I think this is pretty solid. I'm very impressed like with how quickly this filled up. Yeah. And, like, how it can support 2 grown men and a tiny dog, as you can see. I'm excited to try it out. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. You ready to sleep now, huh? So yeah, guys, if you are looking to pick up a high quality air mattress that fills up incredibly quickly, is very comfortable, and is available at a very affordable price, then pick up this one from Coleman. You're gonna be set.